Finding a reliable, cost-effective remote desktop solution for Linux can be a real headache. Many free options come with frustrating dropouts, sudden commercial use warnings, or configurations that take hours to set up properly. That is exactly why we are looking into HelpWire today. It's completely free, runs natively on major distributions, and bridges the gap between simple, on-demand troubleshooting and long-term client management. Let us walk through how this software actually performs on Linux environments. To start off, the fastest way to get a session moving without jumping through any administrative hoops is by using the standalone Quick Connect application. When we look at this option, it completely bypasses the need to sign up for an account or register a profile, making it ideal for a quick one-time support call. We can simply head over to the official website and navigate to the resource menu to access the download center. The site automatically recognizes that we are running a Linux distribution and presents the correct download files right away. For this quick setup, we download a portable compressed folder in the standard tar.gz format, which works across a wide selection of systems, including Ubuntu 18.04 and higher, Debian 11 and 12, Fedora, CentOS Stream, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Once that compressed archive finishes downloading to our local system, we unpack it in our directory and open up the main folder. Inside the binary directory, we just execute the HelpWire operator application file to launch the interface directly on our desktop. Right away, the software provides us with a unique one-time client application download link instead of forcing us to look up complex network addresses or share permanent security tokens. We can copy this link and send it over to our end user through email, Slack, or any messaging system we prefer. As soon as the client opens that link, their browser automatically grabs the specific version they need, unpacks it, and fires up the client app on their side. When they accept our incoming request, their remote screen appears on our desktop, giving us instant remote control without altering any local firewall options or modifying network ports. The moment we close that window, the session terminates immediately, and the single-use connection link expires completely so that no unauthorized access can happen later. Building on that workflow, if we need to support the same users on a regular basis, moving over to the HelpWire Web Portal gives us a much more robust setup. By creating a free account using our email address or our existing Google profile, we unlock complete client management tools and a centralized console right inside our web browser. Once we log into the online dashboard, we handle everything from setting up our support team to reviewing deep session histories. To install the persistent version of the app from this dashboard, we go straight to the App Center tab, where we can select a native installation package tailored specifically to our package manager, choosing either a standard deb package for Debian and Ubuntu systems or an RPM package for Fedora and Red Hat distributions. We run the native system installer, which handles all the deep file dependencies and completes the full setup in just a few moments. Now, instead of generating temporary individual links every single time a problem pops up, the browser-based web portal allows us to build a dedicated list of saved contacts and organize multiple client devices under unified profiles. Whenever a remote user needs our assistance, we can launch the connection request straight from our web browser with a single click. The browser safely passes the communication command back down to our local installed operator app, which automatically initializes and brings up the active workspace. This central console lets us monitor client connectivity status in real time and keeps a permanent record of past session duration, text chat conversations, and support logs. It allows smaller teams or independent systems administrators to keep their customer interactions organized perfectly without paying for massive enterprise software packages. Moving forward to look at cross-platform performance, configuring a pure Linux to Linux remote session is just as straightforward as connecting between completely different operating systems. When we need to connect from our local Linux workstation to a remote machine running a Linux distribution, the platform handles the handshake without requiring manual protocol tuning. After we choose a saved client or generate a new profile inside our workspace browser, we copy the universal client application link and send it over to the remote user. The underlying remote server reads the environment details of the recipient machine automatically, confirming the architecture and serving up the precise compressed tar.gz file designed for their distribution. On the receiving end, the client extracts that portable file to their preferred directory and launches the client binary executable directly from the folder. Because this application is completely firewall-friendly, it runs smoothly over standard internet protocols without requiring us to configure extra port forwarding rules on the router or change local security policies. The moment the remote user opens the binary file, our local operator workspace updates instantly to show that the connection is active and ready. This cross-platform framework gives us full mouse and keyboard interaction, screen scaling choices, and multi-monitor switching capabilities, allowing us to troubleshoot an open-source workstation from our own Linux machine with zero friction. To see how a live connection actually feels in daily operation, let's break down exactly what happens during an active support session, step by step. Once the remote client opens up the software on their side, we see their real-time progress update immediately inside our Open Portal tab, changing status to show they are online. We click the dedicated button to request explicit remote access permission, and a clear prompt window pops up on their screen asking them to approve our session. As soon as the user clicks to approve, we press the main Connect button in our operator toolbar, which establishes an end-to-end encrypted TLS and SSL tunnel between the two systems to ensure every piece of visual data remains fully private. With the active screen now streaming smoothly on our monitor, we can navigate their entire desktop environment, open system terminals, or check configuration files just like we were sitting right in front of the physical machine. If we need to send over a script, a system patch, or an update archive, the file transfer process is incredibly simple because we don't have to use separate file transfer protocol servers or external cloud storage links. We can just copy the specific file on our local computer and paste it directly into the active remote control window to copy it over securely. There's also a built-in text chat module built right into the interface panel, which lets us communicate with the end user in real time to ask questions or explain what we're fixing without opening external communication tools. When we wrap up our work and need to end the session, we can click the red Disconnect button on the far right of our operator toolbar, or simply close out the application window to drop the connection safely. Ultimately, HelpWire stands out as an incredibly efficient, reliable, and completely free remote desktop tool for Linux environments. It gives you smooth control, straightforward file sharing, and excellent client management without any annoying time limits or sudden cost upgrades. If you want a clean, reliable remote support tool that just works, head to the official website, download the app, and start your first session today. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.